Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the best monkey app alternative for iPhone and you can easily install it from the App Store. First, open the App Store and search for Monkey Run. I have already installed the app, so I'm just going to open it. Once the app opens, you can sign in using any of the available options. After signing in, you will see the main interface. Now just tap on Start and allow camera access. After a few screens, you will enter the video chat. In here, you can add the skip users so accept them. This app works very similar to the Monkey app. I hope this video helps you out and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.